I think he's got me. I can't take him.
That's ready.
Slow rate.
Hey, good day on the water though. Just
What's up, YouTube? So we are headed out to, I think we're gonna go to Florence Branch today to put in the water out there and see if we can beat the skunk and snag some bass today. Yeah, I'm tired of getting skunked. It's got to end. It's got to end. So we're gonna head out there. We're gonna put the kayak in the water, and supposed to be peak fishing time. Let's see how accurate my little tables that I made are. But yeah, let's give it a try. Let's see what we can do today. So stay tuned. Entirely too many people down here on the water today, and it was like I was afraid a fist fight was going to break out there at the boat ramp. So I just decided to bypass that step and just go ahead and get out here on the water. Man, it is rough today. It's like a beyond the breakers day out here on the on the river. Lots of chop, lots of boats out here. So I'm gonna paddle out around the point, and I will catch up with you guys once I get there. How good the camera's picking that up. It's pretty windy out here, if you couldn't tell by the waves here. These waves are rough. I mean, they're super rough. It's it's like a roller coaster ride. It's pretty cool though. Slow raced by a little skiff over here. I think he's got me. I can't take him. I can't take him. He's got me. He's gonna beat me. Oh man, this is fun. This is the most fun I've had paddling in a while since I was out in the ocean. And this is nice. I dig it. Calmer over here, closer to the side. Fish are gonna be deep. Ain't messing around with all this junk. Ain't gonna be on the top of the water. Well, I might as well throw in. Water's not gonna get any calmer, that's for sure. Might as well have some fun while I'm out here. Feels like the back of the boat's doing the butt scoop. And blowing me all over the place. Might be holed up here a little bit, stuck in a little whirly current a little bit. See what happens. I don't know why it's so choppy. Ain't no water turning across the dam. I just crossed the dam coming over here. I don't know. It sure is choppy though. It's not super windy. I mean, you can tell by the movement of the trees, it ain't really windy. Just super choppy. One of those days. Keeps trying to push me back in. I don't want to go in yet. I'm having fun. The only hard part is staying out of the way of all this floating debris. A lot of junk out here floating in the water. It's not cool. We'll move a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Turn sideways. And no anchor today, that's for sure. Have this thing flipped over in an instant. For those of you who are fairly new to the sport or getting into it, your instincts would tell you, you know, in rough, choppy water like this, when you want to sit still, to drop your anchor. But it's quite the opposite, actually. When the water's rough like this, anytime there's a lot of wake or heavy wake or rough waters or choppy waters or stuff like that, you don't want to drop your anchor, because, you know, if you're anchored off and your anchor's pulled tight, you know, taut, and you get a rogue wave, you know, comes in and pops you, you know, it'll capsize you faster than if you were to, you know, if you were free floating and able to, you know, just rise and fall over the wave. So, you know, food for thought. Rough, choppy, nasty days and there's a lot of wake, you know, don't drop anchor. Just kind of drift with it. That would be a lot easier, you know, if you had a pedal drive. It's a lot easier to keep yourself controlled, keep yourself oriented. You got, you know, pedals. Us paddle guys, we hang in there, we make do. Hello, butterfly.
What in the world that is? Part of a car. Let's investigate. Piece of a dock, maybe. Who knows? Rough water just knots everything up. Good night. The paddling situation is improved a little bit. It's not quite as rough as it was, but man, this wake is just it's steadily kicking. I'm guessing it's because there's about 10 billion boats on the water today, and there's a little bit of wind, and as you can probably hear now, picking up on the camera and the microphone. But yeah, it's a fun paddle nonetheless. Well, I doubt I'll probably catch any fish today because the water's so choppy, but I'm having a good time just paddling around in this. It's pretty freaking cool. I dig it. If you're seasick, you probably might not want to watch too long. It's a bit rocky, a lot of up and down, up and down, up and down. You know, you can it's definitely not like a bigger boat. You know, the kayak, it's a smaller boat. You know, you feel every little dip and duck and dodge and dive and every little thing the water's got to offer. It'll give it to you. But it's pretty cool, pretty fun. Boat handles it's handling pretty well. Got a lot of hull slap, you know, but I have yet to have a wave crest over the bow of the boat there. It breaks them pretty well, and actually paddles pretty good in this. I'm not going too fast, but I'm not really going too slow either. It's staying pretty steady. But yeah, I'll get back with you guys shortly. I'm gonna hit a slough up over here, see if I can find some semi-calm water to do some casting. Well, I told you guys I was going to head to a quieter slough, but I've yet to find one. So today is just a day of enjoying some paddling in the wind. Just having fun on the water. I got one rod back here, trolling, a little swim bait on it. I doubt it's gonna hook anything, but hey, it don't matter. We're having fun riding the rocky waves. Oh, it's trash. Water. It's way back up in a slough. I don't want to bore you guys with paddling all the way over here. It's about a 200, 300 yard paddle. Not too bad. But it's much calmer here. Much calmer. I think the catfish have taken a notice to the bait that I got thrown out there, or at least that's what it looks like. They woke me up. I was taking a nap. Didn't have my GoPro ready or nothing. Just sitting here chilling.
What's up, YouTube? We're headed home with a dead camera. Note to self, the Hero 5 session battery only lasts about 2.5 hours, maybe 3, something like that. Yeah, note to self. I need to either change the format I'm recording in, or I don't know, see how I can squeeze more battery life out of it. Yeah, I managed to catch one catfish that was not very big, and a couple of brim. Nothing major. Those of you who follow me on Facebook, check out Facebook. I always post pictures of my catches on Facebook. It sucks I didn't get them on the GoPro, which I would have loved to, but now I know that thing needs to be charged just about every day if I'm going to go out. So yeah, if it's something I'm doing, like, I don't know the exact amount of battery life those things are supposed to get, so let me know in the comment section below if you guys use that same camera and you're able to get a little bit more battery life out of it. I am not, so maybe it's something I'm doing. Maybe it's just me and it's not the camera. So sorry for this quality of video, but it's on my phone. If you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below if you know how to tweak that camera, if it's something I'm doing to get better battery life out of it or something like that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned.